In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Slack in your browser. This guide is designed to help you quickly access Slack through your web browser, which can be incredibly handy if you're working on a device that doesn't have the Slack app installed, or if you just prefer working within your browser. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, we're going to visit the Slack website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL slack.com. Hit enter and this will take you to the official Slack homepage. Slack is a fantastic tool for communication and project management, allowing teams to collaborate more effectively, and accessing it through your browser makes it even more versatile. Once you're on the website, you'll be greeted by Slack's welcoming page, which displays various options for both new and returning users. Next, let's sign into your Slack account. Look towards the top right corner of the page, you'll see a sign in button. Click it and it will redirect you to the sign in page. Slack offers various ways to log in, but for this tutorial I recommend signing in with Google as it's both fast and secure. On the sign in page you'll notice several options, one of which is sign in with Google. Click that option. It's crucial here to ensure you're logging in with the Google account associated with your Slack workspace. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, Slack will automatically recognize it and prompt you to proceed. If not, it'll ask for your Google credentials, so go ahead and enter those as needed. Now here comes an essential step. Once you've successfully logged in using your Google account, Slack might prompt you to open the link in your browser. This is a security step Slack uses to ensure the correct and safe operation of its platform. There will be a notification window or a prompt asking you to confirm if you want to proceed with opening Slack in your browser. Simply click on the option that allows you to open the link in your browser and you're almost there. Finally, after following these steps, you'll find yourself on your Slack dashboard. This is your command center where all your channels, messages, and notifications appear. If you're already familiar with using Slack, you can start navigating through your workspaces and channels. If you're relatively new, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll quickly notice how intuitive and user-friendly the interface is, making communication and collaboration with your team a breeze. And there you have it, a seamless and quick way to access Slack directly from your browser. This method is particularly useful if you need to access Slack on the go and prefer using a browser over the app. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.